Jose, you looking for me?
I come to shoot your blood. What is yours, eh?
What's the going underground, man? Must be looking police protection.
I'm not coming for money this week.
Come what? Ivan fix all the all time. Something new have happened now. Whatever happened, the guy Ivan is a boss.
Hey, sis, you have him tune over there in the jukebox?
You find a record yet, man?
Well, it was put back here a long time ago, you know, sir.
Find the record, find it.
El numero uno socks the sound of living soul.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Big T Show. Back in my home where the sweet soul sisters roam, my mojo working and my soul sort of cooking and smoking. Like we say, the T thing goes for 4 hours long, and it's the sound of soul in Big Boss Country right here. Hey, I hear my little ring-a-ling going on, so let's see what's happening outside in Radio Land. Hi, hello, good evening, Sugar-Boo. How are you? You want to hear that song again? Hey, you know something? All the other jocks been getting this call all day for this big bad song about the runaway guy. You know, I wonder what he's doing right now. I think he's getting his thing together, too, huh? Anyway, we play for you. Would you believe that's the same one I had for you? So here we go. We're going to do it for you right now. That cat is sort of turning the nation over, getting everybody... Wow. I put it on for you here. So it goes something like this. Dig it, huh?
I can't make this record die again. Yes, I can usually do that, man, but it's gone too far now. It's on the charts. You know, I always cooperate with the police, man, but this time, I know how you feel, but I want to catch him myself. Do me a favor. You tell me when you catch him, so that I can get him make another quick record for him before you string him up, okay?
Hey, waiting in the mod car.
You can drive?
Yes.
Drive.